Welcome back all of you to our online platform, that is our school's YouTube channel. So again we are ready with today's video. This video is for class 6 and the subject is maths, and we are continuing with the same chapter, that is chapter number 6, and the name of the chapter is integers. Yesterday we have done already some of the questions from exercise 6.2. So today we will proceed further and we will start with question number 3. In the first two questions, we have calculated the given expression with the help of number line. Now, in this question, we are not supposed to use the number line as given in the question, add without using number line. So, for adding or subtracting the integers, first of all, for addition of integers, some cases can be there. I have classified into two parts. In first two, we are having that both the integers are having the same sign. In the first one, both are having positive sign. In the second one, both are having a negative sign. So in these two cases, we are supposed to add, and here the sign will be plus, and here the sign will be minus. In both the cases, if both the integers are having the like sign, then we are supposed to add actually. Now, when the integers are having the different sign, in that case we are supposed to subtract from the larger number to the smaller number in magnitude. We are not supposed to consider here the sign for the subtraction. We are supposed to subtract the smaller number from the larger number. At the same time, the number in magnitude which is larger, whichever sign of that number is there, we are supposed to use that only. Selection of sign. Select the sign. Now we will explain that using the questions. The first part is there, that is A, 11 plus minus 7. So first one is the positive and the second one is the negative. So this case is there, positive and negative. So first of all, we are supposed to select the sign. To select the sign, we are supposed to neglect their sign. First of all, we are supposed to see their magnitude. Means 11 is greater or 7 is greater? 11 is greater. So what is the sign of 11? That is positive. If nothing is there, means that is the positive one. Afterwards, what we have to do? Subtract. We are supposed to subtract the smaller number from the larger number. Means this is the smaller number, 11 minus 7, that is 4. That is the first part. Second part, the B part is there, minus 13 plus 18. Minus 13 plus 18 means again the different signs are there. So that is the last one case. First one is the negative and the second one is the positive. Again we have to select the sign. So again we have to compare the magnitude of the numbers. Either 13 is more or 18 is more. 18 is more. What is the sign of 18? That is plus. So the answer will be in plus. Afterwards, we are supposed to subtract the smaller number from the larger number. 18 minus 13, that is 5. Now the C part is there, minus 10 plus 19. Minus 10 plus 19. Again the 19 is larger one and the sign of larger one is plus, and afterwards we are supposed to subtract because both the integers are having different sign. 19 minus 10, that is 9. So we should move further, that is the part D. Part D, we are having minus 250 plus 150, minus 250 plus 150. So again that fourth case is there. Now which one is the larger one in magnitude? In magnitude 150 and 250. So 250 is the larger one, so the sign of the larger number will be there, that is the negative, and afterwards we are supposed to subtract the smaller number from the larger number, means 250 minus 150, that is 100. So minus 100 is the answer. Now we will take E, that E part is there. In E part, minus 380 plus minus 270, minus 270. So this case is the second one, both are negative, so the negative sign will be there, and here we are not supposed to subtract because both are like sign, we are supposed to add. So 0 plus 0, 0, 8 plus 7, 15, 5, 1, 3, 2, 5, 1, 6, minus 650 will be the answer. So like this we are supposed to proceed this question. And next question, in which again we are supposed to add, find the sum, means add 137 and minus 354. Like this you are supposed to do by yourself. One part we can take, that is we will take the last part in which we are having the three numbers. Question number 4, find the sum, and we are taking the last part, that is D. Find the sum of minus 50 minus 200, minus 50 minus 200 and 300. So first of all we will represent in the mathematical form, that is the minus 50 plus minus 200 plus 300, that is plus, no sign is there means plus sign is there. So first of all we will proceed in pair, we will consider these two, both are having the negative sign, means like type of integers are there, so the sign will be same, that is negative, and we are supposed to add, that is the second case, negative negative and the sign will be negative, and actually we are supposed to add 200 plus 50 means 250. Now plus sign is there, that are now plus 300. Now we are supposed to compare because both the integers are having the different sign, so we will see the magnitude 300 is more as compared to 250 and the sign of 300 is plus, so the answer will be in plus. Now we are supposed to subtract because both the integers are having unlike sign, so 300 minus 250, that is 50, so plus 50 is the answer. Like this we are supposed to proceed this question, and the next one is there, fifth. In that again we are supposed to find the sum, so we will see these parts also. Question number 5th, and we will take first of all the A part, that is A part is minus 7 plus minus 9, minus 7 plus minus 9 and then plus something and then plus something, two more brackets are there, 4 and 16. They have written directly plus 4 plus 16. So what we will do, first of all we will make a pair here and here. So from here both are having the negative sign, so answer will be negative, and we are supposed to add 9 plus 7 16, then plus sign comes here, then 16 plus 4, that all of you know that 16 plus 4 is 20, that is in plus and that is in minus. So now both are having the different sign, so the sign of the greater number will be there, greater number is 20 and the sign of 20 is plus. Now we have to subtract 20 minus 16, that is 4, plus 4 is the answer. So we are supposed to proceed the questions step by step. Now we will see the part B of this question, that is 37 plus minus 2. Plus minus 2, then plus minus 65, plus minus 65, plus at last it is given minus 8, minus 8. So here we will again collect the terms having the same sign. So these are the terms having the same sign. 37 is having the plus sign, nothing is there means plus is there, then plus, and all are having the negative sign. So answer will be in negative, and actually we are supposed to add 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 65, that is 75. Now these both integers are having the different sign, so we are supposed to see the magnitude, we are supposed to ignore the sign, we are supposed to see the magnitude, and the magnitude of 75 is more than 37. So sign of 75 will be there in the answer, so sign of 75 is negative. Now we are supposed to subtract 37 plus from 75, 15 minus 7, 8, then 6 minus 3, that is 3. So minus 38 will be the answer. I hope that you have understood how to proceed the addition of the integers. And now the homework is there, so you are supposed to solve each and every question of exercise 6.2. Question number 1 all the parts, question number 2, 3, 4, 5 all the parts you are supposed to solve, and after completing the homework you are supposed to take the pic of that and you are supposed to upload on the school's WhatsApp number. Thank you very much.